Wine tasting is not some great mystery or talent that only we experts get to cultivate. You can do it too. You already have the skills you need to better understand wine. I mean, we smell and taste things every day. In a world where we're always so busy and distracted, wine tasting is a way to stop, slow down, and really meditate on what's in the glass. So here are a few basic skills you can practice regularly to become a better taster. Looking at a wine can teach you a lot about it. In general, you want it to appear fresh and clean. For a better view, you can actually tilt your glass sideways to peer through it. So if the wine is cloudy, off-colored, or even dirty looking, take note. That's a sign of either an old wine or it could even be spoiled. 80% of what you taste is actually your sense of smell. This is why we sniff a wine. It's a pretty good indication of what it's going to taste like. First, swirl the glass. This aerates the wine, making the aromas more intense. So, is it fruity and pungent, a little spicy, or is it more savory with notes like chocolate and tobacco? And here with the nose, we're looking for an overall impression, so try not to overthink it too much. So finally, we're going to sip the wine, and if you really want to get into it, you can slurp the wine like this. This actually helps to intensify the flavors. One of the first things you're going to notice when you drink a wine is that it makes you salivate, and that's a reaction to the acids in the wine. Too many acids in the wine will make it taste sour and tart, and too little will make it taste flat. Alcohol adds body and heat to a wine, so when you drink it, take note. Does it taste light and thin, or is it warm and juicy? Or maybe it even burns the back of your throat a little bit. In a red wine, tannins give your mouth and teeth that dry, somewhat gritty feeling. And over time, tannins actually mellow, so with older wines, they're going to taste a lot smoother. Obviously, the most important aspect of a wine is its flavor profile, and it helps to think of these flavors in terms of things that you already understand in daily life. So ask yourself, is there citrus in here? Is it floral or maybe tropical? And in red wines, you're going to get more berries and savory flavors and even herbal essences as well. Also, take note to see if there are any off or bad flavors in the wine too, because this could be a sign that it's spoiled. Lastly, after you swallow the wine, take note of how long the flavors linger in your mouth. You want the best parts of the wine to go on and on forever, and this is known as the finish. The main thing we're looking for when we taste a quality wine is balance or harmony. We want all those different elements to be present in just the right amount. So, after all is said and done, what matters most is your overall impression of the wine. Every fine wine should be like a great story. There should be a beginning, a middle, and an end. It should take you on an epic journey that builds with each sip. So I hope that little bit of information helps you to develop your tasting skills. And as always, I appreciate your input and thoughts, so feel free to share with me in the comments below this video. I'm Marc Supsic. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. Cheers.